Have you ever felt like something was holding you back, preventing you from achieving your dreams? Like an invisible wall blocking your path to success and happiness? This, my friend, is the power of manifestation blocks. We all have them, these hidden energies that whisper doubts and fears into our hearts, keeping us from reaching our full potential. But what if I told you that you have the power to break free? That within you lies the strength to shatter these limitations and manifest the life you've always desired? The journey starts with understanding the potent energy of crystals. Crystals are more than just beautiful stones. They are ancient beings, pulsating with the Earth's raw energy, ready to help you unlock your true potential. Think of crystals as your allies, your companions on the path to self-discovery and manifestation. Each crystal vibrates at a unique frequency, resonating with different areas of your life and working to clear specific blockages. By incorporating crystals into your daily routine, you invite their powerful vibrations to harmonize with your own, dissolving the barriers that stand between you and your dreams. Before we dive into the wonderful world of crystals, let's shed light on these silent saboteurs, the manifestation blocks. They are negative thought patterns, limiting beliefs and past traumas that cloud our subconscious, hindering our ability to manifest our desires. These blocks can manifest in countless ways, from self-doubt and fear of failure to procrastination and lack of self-worth. Imagine a garden filled with vibrant flowers ready to bloom. Now picture weeds choking the life out of those flowers, preventing them from reaching their full potential. That's what manifestation blocks do to our dreams. They sap our energy, dim our light, and keep us stuck in repetitive cycles of frustration and disappointment. These blocks can stem from childhood experiences, societal conditioning, or past relationships. They whisper doubts in our ears, telling us we're not good enough, not worthy enough, not deserving of happiness and success. But here's the good news. You have the power to reclaim your garden, to uproot those weeds and cultivate a fertile ground for your dreams to flourish. Crystals, with their grounding energy and unique vibrations, act as powerful tools to identify and release these blocks. They work on different levels, physical, emotional, and spiritual, to restore balance, enhance clarity, and amplify your intentions. Think of them as energetic magnets, attracting positivity, abundance, and joy into your life while gently dissolving fear, doubt, and negativity. Each crystal carries a unique vibration and resonates with specific chakras, the energy centers in our bodies. When a chakra is blocked, it can manifest as physical or emotional imbalances. Crystals help to clear these blockages, allowing energy to flow freely again, restoring harmony and well-being. In the following sections, we'll explore some powerful crystals and their unique properties, guiding you on how to incorporate them into your daily life for powerful manifestation. Remember, choosing the right crystal is a personal journey. Trust your intuition, let your heart guide you, and choose the crystal that resonates with your soul. Let's start with black tourmaline, a powerful grounding stone and protector against negative energies. Imagine a shield surrounding your aura, deflecting negativity, doubt, and fear. That's black tourmaline at work, creating a safe space for you to heal, grow, and manifest your desires. This powerful stone is known for its ability to absorb electromagnetic radiation, making it an ideal companion in our technology-filled world. Place a piece of black tourmaline near your computer or phone to minimize their energetic impact. Carry it with you to deflect negativity from others and stay grounded in your own energy. Black tourmaline helps to cleanse your energy field, removing blockages caused by negative self-talk, limiting beliefs, and past traumas. It encourages a positive outlook, boosts self-confidence, and helps you to see the light even in challenging situations. Now, let's journey to the heart chakra with rose quartz, the stone of unconditional love and emotional healing. Picture a warm, gentle energy enveloping your heart, melting away past hurts, resentments, and insecurities. Rose quartz teaches you the power of forgiveness, both for yourself and others. It helps you to release past traumas and emotional wounds, allowing you to open your heart to love, compassion, and joy. Hold a piece of rose quartz close to your heart, breathe deeply and feel its soothing energy calm your mind and soothe your soul. This gentle crystal is also known to attract love into your life, fostering self-love, romantic love, and healthy relationships. Place a piece of rose quartz by your bedside to invite love and harmony into your dreams and relationships. Ready to manifest abundance and prosperity into your life? Citrine, with its vibrant yellow hue, is your go-to crystal. Imagine a beam of sunlight illuminating your path, attracting opportunities, wealth, and success. Citrine is known as the merchant stone, believed to attract wealth, prosperity, and good fortune. Carry a piece of citrine in your wallet or purse to attract abundance, or place it in the wealth corner of your home, the southeast corner, to invite financial flow. This cheerful stone also promotes joy, optimism, and creativity, helping you to manifest your desires with passion and enthusiasm. Keep a piece of citrine on your desk to boost your creativity and attract success in your endeavors. For enhanced intuition and spiritual connection, look no further than amethyst, with its captivating purple hues. Imagine a veil lifting, revealing your inner wisdom, clarity, and spiritual insights. Amethyst is a powerful meditation tool, helping to quiet the mind, enhance intuition, and connect with your higher self. Meditate with an amethyst placed on your third eye chakra, between your eyebrows, to access your inner wisdom and receive divine guidance. This calming stone also promotes peace, tranquility, and restful sleep. Place a piece of amethyst under your pillow to ward off nightmares and invite peaceful dreams. Crystals are your allies, your guides on the path to self-discovery and manifestation. Embrace their energy, experiment with different crystals, and discover which ones resonate with your soul. Trust your intuition. It will guide you towards the crystals that can help you unlock your full potential. Remember, manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, be open to the process, and trust that the universe is conspiring to support you in achieving your dreams. As you clear your manifestation blocks and align with your true purpose, you'll begin to attract the abundance, love, and joy you deserve. Start by incorporating crystals into your daily life. Meditate with them, carry them with you, or place them in your environment. Pay attention to how they make you feel and the subtle shifts you experience. The journey to unlocking your potential starts with a single step. Take that step today and watch your life transform in miraculous ways. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more content like this. Thank you.